stock volume analysis as fast as possible. We are a monthly chart of Cycle Incorporation, a NASDAQ 100 components, and we see here that we have a surge in trading volume. All right, so here it is. This volume bar here, this tall volume bar here, is a surge in trading volume because we have a normal trading volume, then we have a surge in trading volume, followed by a candlestick bar. What we need to do is to highlight the high of that bearish candlestick bar, the low of that bearish candlestick bar, and the median line of that bearish candlestick bar. All right, we will give priority to a bearish signal below the low of this candlestick bar at 9100. So priority to bearish trading signal below the 9100, which means what? Break below. All right, retest. All right, and the price final resistance at 9100. We will apply a top-down trading method to trade it because we are on a monthly chart. We'll combine monthly chart we combine the monthly chart with the daily chart and the hourly chart. So monthly chart for the trading setup, all right, our daily chart for the trading signal, and the hourly chart for the entry. Priority to bearish signal below the level of 9100. This is a tall candlestick bar indicating to us that there are bearish sellers here. Therefore, if we want to sell below the low of this bearish candlestick bar. Okay. One can take a contra trend above 9100. Repeat, a contra trend below. One can take a contra trend above 9100, So when one is buying above 9100, this is a contra trend. It's also a risky trade. One may decide not to trade it at all. But if the price continues to go up and rises up to the median line of the tall candlestick bar here, this bearish candlestick bar here, we will give priority to bearish trading signal in the vicinity of the median line of this tall candlestick bar. So if the price continues to go up and reaches the level of 10976, we will give priority to bearish signal in the vicinity of 10976. So priority to bearish signal below 9100, and if we are buying, which we can, above 9100, is a contra trend. It is also a very risky trade. But we may decide not to trade it at all and wait until the price rises up to 10976, which is the median line of this tall candlestick bar. And if you receive a sell signal in the vicinity of 10976, the median line of this tall bearish candlestick bar, we will participate in that bearish trade. So in that case, we will apply, the monthly chart as a trading setup, the daily chart for the trading signal, and the hourly chart for the entry. If the price goes above the level of 10976, we will give priority to bullish signal. What do I mean by that? Price breaks above 10976, which is the median line of that tall candlestick bar, and retest it and find its support. Once again, we'll apply a top-down trading method, to buy it up to the high of that tall candlestick bar. This is a stock volume analysis as fast as possible, analyzing Cycle Incorporation, a NASDAQ 100 components. All right. So you see here. So we draw the low, the high, and the median line of the tall candlestick bar because we have a surge in trading volume followed by a tall bearish candlestick bar. We highlight the high, the median line, and the low. We will give priority to bearish signal below the low of that candlestick bar. Break below retest will be a bearish trading setup. We'll apply a top-down trading method, to trade it. By the way, if we want to participate in the Contra trend above 9100, is a very, very risky trend. One can wait until the price reaches the median line of the tall candlestick bar, and looking for a bearish trading setup in the vicinity of the median line of the tall candlestick bar. If the price goes above the median line, breaks above and retests and finds support, that is a bullish trading setup. If you start turning around, we'll apply a top-down trading method or a multiple time frame trading method to buy it. If the price comes to the 12896, which is the high of that tall candlestick bar, we will be ready to take profit. All right, this is how we will trade this long volume bar. All right, so this is how we trade a surge in trading volume followed by a long bearish candlestick bar. Okay, I want to show you another example here, which we already had, for the same, financial instrument, sterile, a cycle, a NASDAQ 100 component. We're talking about, stock volume analysis as fast as possible. We want to keep this video very short and go to the point. And here we are. So now you know exactly what we want to do. So let's go back to this tall candlestick bar here. You can see we have a tall candlestick bar here. Pay attention to this candlestick bar. So we will draw the high. So the price was here. You can see that we had before a normal trading volume followed by a surge in trading volume. I'm talking about this long volume bar. More than 25 million share has been transacted in a sterile cycle incorporation, a NASDAQ 100 component. So remember, if you were here, you apply the same method. You highlight the high, the low, and also the median line. So here it is, the median line of that tall candlestick bar. A surge in trading volume followed by a tall candlestick bar. How do you trade it like a pro? You highlight the high, the low, and the median line of that tall candlestick bar, priority to bearish signal below the low of that bearish candlestick bar, contra trend bullish signal above that the low, but it's quite risky. One should stay away from those contra trend or wait until the price. So here we are. So we will be giving priority here. So it's D below. This tall candlestick bar after a surge in trade volume. Here it is. We have the price goes below that level. You see it found a resistance and continue to go down. All right, but now we can see that while the price was above the low of that tall candlestick bar, this one here, the price manages to go back to the median line. Can you see? Below, you see, above the low, she manages to go to the median line. And here it is, he found a resistance here. Traders use a top-down trading method and sold it down. All right? It did not go above the median line. So here it is, one example here that has already happened. Now we have another again, normal trading volume followed by a surge in trading volume. We will highlight the high, the low, and the median line of our new bearish candlestick bar. We will be giving priority to bearish signal below the low of that candlestick bar. But the best place to sell is near the median line when the price rises up to the median line. And if it finds a resistance, we will apply a top-down trading method to trade it and sell it again. All right, but one should not assume that the price will definitely go down because of the surge in trading volume followed by a long candlestick bar. But we are following the price. Price goes up, find a resistance. That's a bearish trading setup. We apply top-down trading method to trade it. Monthly chart, daily chart, hourly chart. This is a stock volume analysis as fast as possible. If you have any question, put in the comment section. Any suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will record another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about stock volume analysis as fast as possible. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.